Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
Bindia Ahmed Sahiba, please come on.
बिंदिया पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन की पहली न्यूज़ कास्टर इंग्लिश में इन्होंने खबरें पढ़ी और इन्होंने अपने फ़न के ज़रिए पाकिस्तान की बहुत खिदमत की, ना सिर्फ टेलीविजन पे, फिल्मों में, और वो सिलसिला थमा नहीं, रुका नहीं, वो यहाँ भी जारी सारी है। यहाँ भी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के ज़रिए यहाँ पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर रही हैं अपने टैलेंट से, और यहाँ पे लोगों को अपना फ़न मुंतकिल कर रही हैं थिएटर परफॉर्मेंस के ज़रिए और अदाकारी के ज़रिए। बिंदिया, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और हमें ये एजाज़ हासिल हुआ कि हम आपको चोलिस्तान अवार्ड पेश कर सकें। मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ 3 मुआज़िज़ मेहमानों से, प्लीज़ बिंदिया को चोलिस्तान अवार्ड पेश कीजिए। फारूक साहब, सर आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट है, आप भी आ जाइए। हर रोज नया जख्म जुदाई न दिया कर, तू मेरा नहीं है तो दिखाई न दिया कर। हर बार परिंदे नहीं आते हैं पलट कर, हर बार परिंदों को रिहाई न दिया कर। इस बिंदिया प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन हज़रात, क्या हाल है आपके? आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट Ms. Farooq Saab and this Cholistan award he gave to the artist, because normally artists are recognized after they die or they are sick. Normally the legendaries are not recognized by the government, but it's a pleasure and very happy to be honored by this. और जहाँ तक हम speeches सुन रहे थे, Aisha, congratulations to you. It's a great thing what you're doing, because women in Pakistan, it's difficult to step out. And when they step out, especially you're still younger, and I'm old now. So in my time, it was very difficult. My family got against me. They pulled out guns to kill me if you go to show business. I said, if you have a bullet, then kill me. I'm not going to die every day. So I took a stand and I started my work. Persistent about it. Yeah. And finally, even now, they have not adjusted to me, but it's good because that makes me feel I'm a 16-year-old when they don't agree to my work now. So, but it doesn't matter. And I'm very happy that Dr. Kazmi, he called me, and in a heartbeat, I agreed. And very happy to meet Tom and Tara Saab here, and Farooq Saab. Congratulations to you. आपकी तो मिसेस को you have really supported her. नहीं तो हमारा अलमिया ये है कि हम हमेशा गलत बंदे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो हमारा गला ही दबोच लेता है, ऐसे काम नहीं करना, तो घर बिठा के लत्ता पड़ देंगे. So this is what used to happen, you know, and it's still happening. So I choose to be single. So big hands for me. Yeah, because getting good husbands is rare nowadays. They said couples are made in heaven, but I don't think so. With what I've gone through, I guess definitely they were made in hell for me. I'm going to create a heaven for myself on this earth. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Or after this, we'll be having some performances. Thank you so much for all of you to have come, and congratulations to everybody who received the award. There's great work being done in our community, because Pakistan is a country all over the world misunderstood. It's a nation of peace. It always has been, and majority people are good raising their kids. And what's happening is very sad, but I think the tables are going to turn now, because there are eclipses, and the universe is going to give us back wholeheartedly, and we're going to be one of the most peaceful nations within our community and within our country, and we deserve it. It's time. It's high time. MashaAllah. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad and America Zindabad. हम सोच रहे थे अगर इन्होंने हमें ये ये चादर ना दी तो हम तो पड़ जाएंगे इन पे। शुक्र है इन्होंने दे दी ये चोलिस्तान की चादर।
हमने तो सब जितने भी हैं हमारे अवार्ड वसूल करने वाले जाहिर है।
Thank you very much, ma'am. And we do acknowledge, and of course, we are sensitive to gender discrimination. And we take care of that. So there's another chadar if you need one. Quite interesting and very important as well. In this segment, we are going to recognize one of our emerging leaders. She lives here and she is doing a very good job. And the jury has decided to honor her with a certificate of appreciation and to encourage her to do more what she is doing. So there's a brief intro what she really do, and it's a very good work. Aisha, if you could come on the stage so I could narrate. Aisha Ijaz Malik is the executive administrator of an internationally renowned organization which is partnered with United Nations on its global agenda of sustainable development goals through various programs, projects, and services focused on human development. Its most prominent projects are in quality healthcare and education, women empowerment, gender equality, sustainable cities, climate action, peace, and more. The name of our non-government, non-political, non-profit organization is Iqdar, which in Urdu we all know mean values. The platform is always open to new and creative innovative ideas for instilling social change, reinvigorating people, communities and societies in becoming global citizens in light of its philosophy of catalyst. Ma'am, we are really honored to appreciate you, and this encouragement certificate is really going to let you urge and work for more what you are doing.
और ये है मोहतरम काशिफ साहब के लिए। काशिफ सुहेल आप आइए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ख़वातीन और हज़रात, आप सब जानते हैं, प्लीज
In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. I appreciate organizers, Mr. Farooq Ahmed Khan, Dr. Kazmi Saab, and all the organizers to recognize. Dr. Kazmi called me several years ago. He's the first person who called me several years ago and invited me to perform. I used to work in the media, and he invited me to perform, and ever since he has been inviting me without missing any event, and I thank Dr. Kazmi. Award is actually a degree. When we go to college and university, we study and we accomplish and they give us degrees. But award is our recognition, our degree for our work that we do, the work that we do in the society, and it's a great honor. Bahawalpur is a princely state, and every part of Pakistan is precious, and Bahawalpur is a great princely state, and Cholistan Award is honor for all the recipients. Thank you very much, and I congratulate Dr. Kazmi and all the organizers. Thank you.
Aisha, you forget to say something if you wanted to say.